Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to our press conference celebrating the first A380 delivery to world five-star airline Qatar Airways.
Here we are very pleased to deliver the first A380 aircraft to Qatar Airways. They have ordered 13 aircraft, 10 firm. They will operate it through their new airport in Doha, and I'm sure that they will be very pleased with what is probably the best quality aircraft in the world.
Receiving our first of 4 Airbus A380s this year is a major achievement for our airline, and the day has finally come when the mighty wings of the A380 will fly in Qatar Airways colors.
Now is the moment you all have been waiting for, the revealing of the aircraft.
Personally, it always makes me proud because I'm delivering what my country expects from every Qatari to deliver, is excellence in everything we do. And this is exactly what Qatar Airways is about.
On this A380, you can see the comfort for the passengers, you can see the lounge, the bars. In this aircraft, you are treated like a king.